Did you know you can earn up to $266 by completing 12-15 simple tasks online? These tasks are beginner friendly and can be done using a phone or PC. To get started, visit Trustpilot, where this platform has excellent reviews from verified users. Just avoid spamming, like creating multiple accounts from the same IP, to ensure your account remains safe. This platform attracts over 12 million monthly visits, with workers primarily from countries like Ukraine, the US, and Russia. To start, click the link in the pinned comment to register. Fill in your name, email, and CAPTCHA, then follow the email instructions to log in. If the platform's language isn't English, use your browser's translate feature to switch it. Once logged in, go to the job list. You'll find various tasks like watching YouTube videos, commenting, or joining Telegram channels. Translate the page to English and use filters to select tasks ranging from $1 to $3. For instance, completing 42 tasks can earn you $76. Each task is simple, such as liking a video, commenting, and taking screenshots as proof. After completing a task, upload the required screenshots and submit your report. Pending tasks are reviewed by the author, and if accepted, your earnings will reflect in your balance. If corrections are needed, you will get another chance to submit. Focus on highly rated tasks to maximize your earnings and avoid rejections. To withdraw your earnings, go to My Profile and add payment details. The platform supports methods like Payer, WebMoney, Binance, and Visa/MasterCard. Minimum withdrawal amounts vary by method, starting at just $8 for Binance and $10 for WebMoney. Choose the most convenient option and cash out your earnings easily. Get started now and explore the easiest way to earn online with flexible and straightforward tasks. For detailed steps, refer to the video or pinned comment. Happy earning!